friends, most of us will have waste bottles in our houses. We don't know what to do with them, we'll throw it off. So here I am going to show you few craft out of these bottles. I am going to make a beautiful bed lamp out of this plastic bottle. It's very simple and very easy. Here I have taken 4 equal size thumbs up bottles. Especially I have taken 2.25 liters bottle, and you can take even Sprite bottle which is in green color. Let's start. Please watch carefully so that you will understand very clearly. After you remove the cover paper, mark and cut. When you are using the sharp objectives, be careful. Especially children, be careful. After that, cut this bottle into 5 parts. Take new bottles so that they look very transparent. The old bottles look little blurred. Trim the edges of the parts into the oval shape. Take one part and make a small cuts to look like a leaf. Down, you cut little smaller. When it comes to the top, cut little deeper. Same way, we need to cut 5 of them. Same way, we need to make 3 bottles, and the 4th one we need to cut both the sides and take the middle one. Cut into the center and make flat. Take the top part of the bottle and nicely trim it to stand properly. Blend the leaves carefully by rolling. Be careful, sometimes they may have foldings. If the folding comes, it doesn't look beautiful. After blending, they look like this. We need to do for 3 of them. Take the middle part of the 4th one and roll it nicely and make it thin and fix one by one carefully. Take the top part of the 4th bottle and fix it as a base. And we almost done the plant and it's ready to use as a lamp. We can't use it as a bed lamp. We need to fix the light. Here I have fixed the holder for the bulb. Fix the bulb for the folder. We have finished it. Let's see whether the light will on. Wow! Beautiful. Green bottles will look more beautiful. Friends, what do you say? Isn't it look beautiful? You can also try. Thank you.